I'm RYKA, and this is Kim. Designers and developers often speak different languages. We create interfaces that are beautiful, intuitive, even perfect, but rarely do we think about how they'll actually be built. Developers get our mockups, and suddenly that swipe interaction we spend hours perfecting becomes a frozen button.
And that's where AI tools like Claude and Figma Make come in. They don't replace creativity. They act as a translator, collaborator, and an extra pair of hands. They help designers turn static wireframes into interactive prototypes faster, while keeping technical feasibility in mind.
Here's an example from a spatial computing module that we took. We had to build a Vision Pro app in Swift, which is Apple's programming language for the iPhone, iPad, Mac, and the Vision Pro. In other words, we had to be both the designer and the developer. And let's just say that our coding skills were limited. Step 1. We fed Claude screenshots of a typical electronic health record used in hospitals. Boom! Clean structured wireframes ready to go. No manual redraws, no wasted time. This gave us a solid foundation based on real clinical interfaces.
Step 2. Claude turned those wireframes into a precise Figma Make prompt, describing layouts, components, and hierarchy. Now the AI knew exactly how to generate screens we could work with. This step saves hours of setup and ensures consistency across the project. Step 3. We ran the prompt in Figma Make, copied each screen into our own project, and polished spacing, hierarchy, and flow. In minutes, the screens were high fidelity ready. This step shows how AI accelerates production while letting designers keep control of details.
Then came the next step. We fed the refined Figma Make designs back into Claude to generate more accurate Swift code. Because the wireframes were closer to final, the code better reflected the intended interactions and visuals. Step 4. We exported to Swift in Xcode. It wasn't perfect. Some gestures misbehaved, layouts needed tweaks, and Vision Pro limitations popped up. But debugging was a lot more manageable. We could write precise prompts to resolve issues and iterate faster.
The big win? We didn't just produce a functional prototype. We started thinking like a developer, understanding which interactions were feasible, where compromises were needed, and which nice-looking ideas might hit technical limits.
This workflow taught us two important things: prompt literacy and technical awareness. Prompt literacy is about writing instructions that clearly communicate design intent to AI. Gestures, navigations, interactions, platform constraints. Done well, and AI produces prototypes that closely match your vision.
Technical awareness is about understanding how designs map to code. By seeing the code, debugging, and iterating, we can anticipate limitations, make informed design decisions, and create experiences that were both feasible and functional. With AI bridging design and development, the process has become more integrated, allowing designers to think and build with a deeper awareness of how things actually work.
Creativity still comes from us. AI just helps us reach further. Tools like Claude and Figma Make let designers think and build at the same time, explore interactions earlier, and iterate faster.
The result? Workflows that are faster, more iterative, and more collaborative, and designs that are both beautiful and buildable. After all, the best designs are the ones we can actually make work.